how to update address or personal information on Citi account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can update address or personal information on Citi account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to log in into your Citi account at citi.com or through the application. So here I will show you how you can log in and change it into Citi.com. Open up a browser, tap or type in Citi.com, and once you're here, tap on sign on at the top right. Then you have to log in into your account using your user ID and password. Once you're signed in, navigate to top right corner. Tap on your profile icon. Under your profile, select profile or my profile. Then go to the contact information section. Now tap on edit next to your address, phone number or email. Enter your new information and save the changes. Then you may need to verify changes via OTP sent into your email or phone number. So verify the OTP code. Once verified, your address or personal information on your Citi account will be updated. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.